Well, it's about that time, man. Finally got my hands on a pair of these right here. The GS Extreme from Axil Hearing Enhancement. Let's take a look. How's it going, everybody? It's Bishop here for Tactical POV. Thanks for tuning in again to my channel. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate the support. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. Trying something here a little different with my setup here. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna fly here a little bit. So, but let me do something real quick. I gotta move my table because it's bumping my tripod here. So gonna get that shake from the camera. So anyway, as I said before, man, I finally got my hands on this. I saw this when it came out, I guess, or I just caught it maybe some months ago when it came out. And I said, man, I want to try these out. So eventually get to a point getting a pair of them here. But as I said, these are the GS Extreme earbuds. These are noise canceling earbuds from Axil. And this thing is actually pretty cool from what I saw, because like I said, I wanted to try something a little bit different. You know, you guys saw my videos before when I had my other hearing device, you know, my other electronic ear muffs, is what I'm trying to say. And I did a comparison with all of them too. And then I did the newest one. I think, well, the last one I did was with my Walker quad electronic ear muffs, which I still love. I still use them. But I've been trying these out since I got it here. And actually, I got the special when they had a promotion. I think the promotion is still going on. If you buy two of these with a promotion code, you get two of them for $200. If you buy one pair with a promotion code, it's $139, I think. So I was like, hey, two of them for $200. Great, because on the website, the actual retail price for one pair of these are, I think, what was it, $279? I think it was $280, somewhere in there. So they got a really good promotional deal going on with these too. So let's take a look at everything and what it says here on the back of the box. As you say, GS stands for Ghost Stryke. Extreme dynamic audio drivers delivers studio quality sound performance. Sport ear hooks reinforce fit, stability, and performance for any activity, which is pretty nice here. So what it's saying here, you've got, if I can get it focused in a little bit here. Hold on a sec here. Hey guys, just wanted to break in a video real quick and let you know that I stream live every Sunday at 7 o'clock right here on this channel. So make sure you tune in. And also, if you're getting any kind of value out of my video, if you like it at all, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that all notifications so you get notified on all of my content. All right, I appreciate it so much because it really helps my channel out. So thanks a lot. Back to the video. See, probably won't focus in, but sorry, I'll read it off. Anyway, hearing enhancement. Hear up to 8 times normal hearing in full surround sound to hear clearly in any environment. Also hearing protection, experience simultaneous hearing protection with advanced auto blocker, sound shut off of all sounds above 85 dB. Bluetooth connectivity, it's 5.0 Bluetooth, which is nice. Connected Ghost Stryke to your phone, tablet, or any other devices to listen to your favorite music hands-free calling. 12 hours battery life. Rechargeable battery charges fully in 1.5 hours to give you the longest run time possible, which is pretty damn impressive. For an hour-and-a-half charge to give you 12 hours of battery life. That's good, really good. Foam tips. Okay, ultra soft foam tips give you 29 dB SNR hearing protection for your most extreme sound environments. Let's see, it says silicone tips, ultra comfortable silicone tips give you 19 dB SNR hearing protection for general sound environments. Patented foam to fit all ears. Patented form. Sorry about that. The Ghost Stryke patented design allows you to rotate to fit any size ear comfortably and easily. I'm reading this through my rig, guys. So Bear with me. Sweat proof, sweat resistance for all activities. And it's got different activities, of course: shooting, hunting, loud environments, yard work, construction. So you see the ratings here: noise reduction rating here from 19 to 29 decibels. Pretty good, not bad. So let's open this up. It's got a, as you see, it's an earbud size here. Now, of course, like I said, I got two of them here. I already opened up the other ones and took a good look at it. Nice looking presentation, not bad. Okay, let's crack this thing open. It's actually a little magnet seal right here. Let's crack this bad boy open here and see what's inside. There we go. Let's take a look at it. We'll slide this out. This is the back of it here. Here's the front. As you see, earbuds, carrying case, and this carrying case is a hard case. That's a hard case. So, got your instructions. Read me before use. Quick start. Pretty simple. If you guys watch Flossie Carter, I know he takes his instructions out. You know, say flick them, file them to the side. Actually, I pull them out and take a look real quick to see if it's going to say something special outside of the standard of what it's going to say. Now, as you see here, how it's laid out, you've got a lanyard cinch here, and I'll show you that when I pull them out. It's to cinch it up, to cinch it tight, loosen it up. It's on it also. Here is your hearing enhancement volumes right here. So you turn the hearing enhancement on here, up, down, or up, down for hearing enhancement. Now, also, here's the Bluetooth pairing button also to turn your Bluetooth on so it connects to your phone. Volume up and down for Bluetooth. The pairing light is right here. That's the pairing light. Actually, so you can see it closer. Right there. That's the pairing light. This here is the sound. This is where the sound is captured in for the hearing enhancement. Right here. So it can cut that down as far as your noise reduction. Of course, your earbuds right here. Now, as I said, I've got two pair. I already opened it up. And I did a test run quick with it. And also, before I get too far ahead, it's a micro USB charge port. Now, I know everybody talks about as far as USB-C. Yes, I get it. Things now are moving over to USB-C, but this design is still, this thing was designed, I think, before they could even move it over to USB-C. No big deal. Okay, so it's micro USB. On top of that, it's also got a nice little cover. We'll pop this out here and I'll show you. But, oh, take it back. Let's file this off to the side here, out of the way. Hard case. Now, let's take a look at the hard case real quick, because the hard case, here you go. Here's your charging cable. Comes in. Nice little pouch in there so it sits. Hang on to that charging cable. If you don't, it's a short micro USB, so it's not big. Take this off. There you go. There's the length. So, of course, I'm sure we've all got a ton of micro USBs around still. You know the deal. Never throw charging cords and cables away, ever. You never know when you might need it for something. So, but this is cool. If you got a little compact design, this is something that you keep in a case, because I keep it in my other case with the other one I have. Okay, finish that up. You got your silicone tips. You've also got inside here is a cinch, not a cinch, but a clamp, a cord clamp. So you can rock that cord inside here and clamp this down to your shirt or something like that. If you need to move the cord or keep it stationary, that's no problem. Silicone tips here, and here's the foam tips here. You have two different sizes, large and small. Same deal here, large and small. Okay, not a bad deal. Nice little hard case. I like that. So let's get to the earbuds themselves. So we'll just pluck these out. Okay, flip this over to the side. Now my other ones are already charged. I don't know how much charge these have. Let's find out. But this is what they look like, guys. Now, of course, they left the earbuds off so you can decide which one. It's also marked. So you know you can't screw this up. They can only go in either ear, but they still mark them though. So here's your right ear, left ear, how they'll go. And what's cool here, the plug here for the micro USB, it's also it's closed off. It's a cap right here. So you just pop that thing open right there. Keep dirt and debris out of it. And there you go. It's a micro USB. If it'll hold it still. Hold still. There we go. Still say micro USB. Got your Axil branding on here on the back, on one side. Now, as I said, okay, left ear, right ear. So you've got the power on. Now understand this. This is two separate powers is what I'm trying to explain this. The hearing enhancement is also, it turns on. You hear that beep? That's the hearing enhancement. This here, that's the Bluetooth. It's the same deal. You hold this down where it says Bluetooth on. It'll say Bluetooth off. It will also, I think it says pairing as well. But you got to hold this down. Same deal. It will flash. I don't know if it's going to do this on my phone because I'm recording this off my phone here. And there you go. You'll see typical blue, red flashes right here for pairing mode. Okay. So that'll be on and off. So remember, if you get these, you turn the hearing enhancement off. You also have to turn the Bluetooth off, because if you don't, you turn this one off, this Bluetooth will run by itself. It'll stay on. So that means it's pulling power and juice from the headset itself if the Bluetooth is on. So you have to turn them both off, save battery life. Of course, when you pack them away, don't forget that. I found this out when I did a quick test run with it here at a class, actually I did it on my first test run with it last Sunday when I had my one concealed carry class there, and I tested them out there. They work pretty damn good. Didn't have time to do a video of it then, but I will do a field video of this on these, okay? But this is what it looks like. Like I said, there's a cinch right here. There's a cinch knot here to cinch it together. You can either have it in front, back, either one. So this will be a part one, guys. This is an unboxing right here. And this is just a quick unboxing, show you everything that it comes with, what it looks like, what you're looking at, and I'll do part two out in the field, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, yada yada, subscribe, click the all notification bell, everything. If you got any value out of this unboxing right here for this, and stick around and tune in for part two, because part two is going to be me out in the field and giving you a test run of what it looks like, what it feels like, what they sound like, and everything else like that. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for part two, all right? So come back and check it out. And as always, remember, you are responsible for your own safety.